How to remove device from Amazon Alexa. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Amazon Alexa app on your device. Then click on Devices located on bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on All Devices. After clicking on All Devices, you'll find all the devices connected. Simply select the device you want to remove by clicking on it. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the last, you'll find Remove Device option. Simply click on Remove Device and remove the device. And that's how you remove device from Amazon Alexa. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.